when manufacturing is empowered by intelligence. Auman Heavy Truck Global Center Factory is leading the heavy truck industry into a new era of intelligent manufacturing. The stamping workshop, driven by intelligence, utilizes automated transport and digitalized operations, pioneering 3 automated storage and retrieval system for sheet metal, pickers, and stamped parts integrated with AGV, making it one of the most automated stamping workshops in China, producing 15 high-quality body parts per minute, laying a solid foundation for overall vehicle quality. China's first chassis powder coating line achieves dual 1,000-hour corrosion resistance, establishing a robust foundation for vehicle anti-corrosion. With digital technology support, advanced welding processes further ensure body quality. 266 robots work with seamless precision, guided by a 3D vision pick and place system, achieving millimeter-level accuracy, 95% welding automation rate, and flexible production of 108 types of white bodies, creating China's first high-speed, highly automated, and highly flexible commercial vehicle production line. Automation penetrates every detail of production. In the coating workshop, floor panels and roof covers are 100% automatically glued, and the magazine-style color change system enables efficient color switching with minimal residue, delivering flawless paint finishes for every Auman vehicle. Intelligent manufacturing dramatically boosts production efficiency. The final assembly workshop uses China's advanced skate line system, chassis AGV assembly line positioning, robot-assisted overhead large part assembly, and interior SBS technologies. Material flow is seamless. Assembly is precise, inspection is accurate, enabling mixed line production of Galaxy and Star Series vehicles, simultaneously meeting high product quality and diverse customer requirements. The Auman Heavy Truck Global Center Factory integrates automation, intelligence, digitalization, flexibility, and low carbon, redefining global heavy truck manufacturing standards.